Hello friends, welcome to TechNuggets. Today we will discuss about scope in Python. So let's get started. In Python, scope refers to the region of the program where a particular variable or function is accessible. Python uses LEGB rule to determine the scope of a variable or function. Let's see what LEGB stands for. L stands for local scope. E stands for enclosing scope, G stands for global scope, and B stands for built-in scope. First, let's see local scope. A variable declared inside a function is in the local scope and is accessible only within that function. For example, x is a local variable and it is accessible inside my function. When we are trying to access x outside of my function, it will give error x is not defined. Now let's see enclosing scope. Enclosing scope is relevant in the context of nested functions. A variable in an enclosing function is accessible inside the nested function. For example, x is 20 defined inside the outer function, but it is accessible inside the inner function also. Now let's see global scope. A variable declared at the top level of a module or script is in the global scope and is accessible anywhere in the module. For example, here x is a global variable, so we can access it inside the function, my function, and also outside of the function. What is a global keyword? To modify a global variable inside a function, use global keyword. For example, here we are updating global variable x to 40 inside the function, my function. Now we will see built-in scope. These are special variables or functions that are part of the Python language and are always available. Now let's see non-local keyword. The non-local keyword is used to modify a variable in an enclosing scope. For example, x is an enclosing variable defined inside the outer function. To modify the value of x inside the nested function, inner function, we have to use non-local keyword. Hope you understood scope of variables in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to TechNuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.